Good morning. How the devil are we? It's about it is about a minute. Stop a minute. There you go. It's for 8:30. So probably wondering, where the hell am I off? Well, one day last week I found out that the Honk for Hope coach protest was in Cardiff this, so which means it's Monday. So we just walk in up to the railway station. I wasn't going to film till we got to the railway station, but I thought I'd say good morning to your faces. So So made it to Cardiff Queen Street. So we're just waiting for the Cardiff Bay train. 10 past now, so we got, what, 4 minutes? Yeah, 4 minutes. I'm counting. Can't wait. Okay guys, we got our headless coaches. We've got Josh over my back shoulder, we got Andrew Martin here with the Welsh sheep bus. I am so looking forward to it. I've been excited for the last 2 or 3 days about this. Yeah. So, vlogging. Nice back to the edge shot then. Yeah, so apparently there's about 150 coaches in that, and now we're just walking back from our own food. Proud. Oh yeah, of course. Huge. I have a huge sense of pride now for that. So we're just working our way back to the railway station now. Ooh, open topper. Because I can't record that. Right Josh, you press that side, I'll press this side. Okay, let's go. Screw it!
Oh yeah, it's on. No,
yeah? Right, spam this one. Okay, go! Oh, Mr. Taro. Come on, I want bus it. 3, 2. Josh!
No.
You anchor! What? Yeah. You anchor? Yeah, so just walking back to Cardiff Bay railway station now.